YEET TV. Hey guys, I have an Aico EI Electronics Ei141 smoke alarm haul. Unfortunately, I only have one base. Double, unfortunately, it's not radio link. Triple, unfortunately, I haven't tested these yet. And quadruple, unfortunately, one of them is expired. Of course, it's not going to affect the performance, but it just won't perform as good as it did when it's brand new. So, I'm going to test these now. Here's the base. Still has some wiring on it. Brown live, blue neutral, and amber's the interconnect. It'd be easier if they just got radio link bases, to be honest. I mean, come on, it's not rocket science, but it is really thin and light. I'm of course used to the radio link bases because I've literally had a radio link base my entire life. Here's the specs, the Ei141RC. As you can see, it's the Ei141s. The Ei161s have sealed lithium batteries. This one expires in 2026. Yep, let's put the battery in here. Right, now to put it on the base, just slide it on. Not slide it in all the way because I don't have a screwdriver. I'll slide it in enough for it to come on. Like that, as you can see, not in all the way. Now you can see it's working. I'm going to cover the bloody piezo buzzer and test it now. I'm actually going to put it under the bed and under the blanket and test it, so I can actually keep it going for longer. Right, I need to get the test button. Right, 3, 2, 1. I'm an idiot. Let the power out. Yep. Now for the expired one, and they both sound different. Well, I know this one works. I didn't know the non-expired one worked though. This one, didn't know that worked, but it does. This one had a ton of sawdust in it, but it seems to be working fine. This one I know works, despite it being sort of broken on the top here. Let's slide this one on the base. You stupid bastard. Yep, there's this one working. Yep, there's that. Now let's test this one. This one takes forever to go off. I've sold the test button for 1,000,000 years for this one. Right, so I'm holding the test button. Give me a sec. Holding the test button now. 1, 2, 3, 4. It takes 4 seconds for that to go off on the test button. That is absolutely terrible. Then you wonder why they said it's not working as good as it did. Right, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Peace.